guys, this is Kelly, your teen librarian at the Wichita Falls Public Library. For today's Teens Cooking at Home, we're going to be doing a summer berry salad from the Green Teen Cookbook that we have here at the library. You will need half a pound of strawberries, whole and quartered, 2 cups of mixed berries like raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, 1/3 cup of fresh mint leaves roughly chopped, a juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of honey, and whipped cream for serving afterwards. Make sure to wash all of your fruit before working with it. First, we will need to hull the strawberries. Mine were already hulled, so I'm going to post a short clip from Chowhound showing you how to do it. If you want to see the full video, I will post the link in the description below. You can also check out Chowhound's YouTube channel for other helpful basics and delicious recipes. After hulling them, you will need to cut them into quarters. Once you're done cutting them into quarters, you will combine them into a large bowl. When you have finished quartering your strawberries, you'll add them into a large bowl, and next we will start chopping our mint. Alright, so we have our mint leaves here to chop. You just want to chop them through roughly in a pile. You're just going to keep on doing this over and over until you have a 1/3 cup worth of mint roughly chopped. When you're done chopping your mint, you'll add it into the large bowl of strawberries. And you're going to want to drop in your 2 cups of mixed berries, which we are doing the blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries as they suggested. Next, you'll need to grab your lemon, cut it in half so we'll be able to juice it. I have my own little handheld juicer here, so we're just going to grab this and juice it until the whole lemon is done. Alright, in a small bowl, you'll now pour in your lemon juice. Alright, after pouring in your lemon, you'll pour in your 2 teaspoons of honey. And then after you have those in the small bowl, you'll just need to grab your whisk and whisk them together. Once it's all whisked together, you'll add this honey mixture into the bigger bowl of fruit. And after it's put in there, you're just going to toss it. Since my bowl doesn't have a lid, I put some aluminum foil on the top, so it's going to be better to evenly toss it. You'll just want to be a little bit careful that the aluminum foil is on tight enough. After you toss it, it is now ready to serve. You can either put it in the fridge for a little while to let it cool off, or you can grab yourself a bowl, dish some out, and if you choose to do so, you can add some whipped cream on top. This cookbook has several other recipes you can try, including other fruit salads. If you'll give this a try, let me know. See you guys next time.